In this video, I'm going to show you how to add indicator in TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom right where you can see it says menu, and then above that, above the menu, there's like those three dots. Now you want to tap on the three dots, and from here, as you can see under tools, it's going to say indicators. Now tap on indicators, it's going to open up all the indicators. You have like different built-in ones, community ones, personal ones. Of course, you can select whichever one you want. I'm just going to go inside built-in and then technicals over here, and we're just going to select one of these. We're going to do a Bollinger Bands right now, and of course, if you tap on that star icon next to it, you'll favorite it so you can find it easier next time you're adding that. So I'm going to just tap on Bollinger Bands, and as you can see, it says added to the chart. I can go out here and you can see on my chart right now, Bollinger Bands have actually been added. At the top left, you could go ahead and tap on that arrow just below the asset you're currently viewing, and it's going to basically show you what are you currently using. And if you tap on that specific indicator, you could also tap on the settings cogwheel next to it, and you could go and change the inputs, style, visibility, stuff like that, and basically customize your indicator. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.